First and foremost, the CPI data. It just hit 30 minutes ago. The CPI data came in month over month, slightly better than expected at 0.2%. All right, so we're going to get right into some numbers here. I want to show you guys this because I do think it's worth keeping an eye on. So U.S. consumer prices rose at a modest 0.2% in June. Expectations were for 0.3%. So we did see a beat on the month-over-month numbers. In addition, the yearly inflation rate dropped to 3% from 4% the prior month. And again, that was key here because this is again showing that inflation is dropping. Now, you'd think this is all roses, right? Everything is good. But again, just like most things, we have to delve underneath the hood to see. And this is the headline kind of that caught my eye. Now, listen, stock market is rallying. We've seen gold popping up. We're seeing even Bitcoin inching up a little bit, although we'll get to that. The price action continues to be very, very muted in Bitcoin. But this is what got me here. Here it says the decline is not quite as fast as it seems, however. Groceries and gas prices have retreated this year and accounted for a large part of the slowdown. For one thing, okay, and some huge monthly increases in consumer prices in 2022 have dropped out of the yearly calculation. So again, when you go back year over year, you have some big calculation in pops that have dropped off because, again, they had their biggest pop in inflation about a year plus ago. And so they've fallen off the calculation, or essentially it's not that big pop anymore. So the question here is this number as good as it seems? And again, I would warrant a little bit of caution here. To me, again, this is as this clearly says, you have gas prices and grocery prices that maybe are not giving us the true picture, and some things are falling off. But having said that, prices on the markets are up on this news. All right, so we are